Say something about the Macmillan Cancer Sport, what they actually doing, and what's the for the the community.
Macmillan's Cancer is a charity that does a lot for cancer. It does lots of research for cancer, and also it gives out Macmillan nurses. So Macmillan nurses come out and see patients that have got cancer. Cancer is one of those biggest diseases that eat people in from inside. It just leaves people like a skeleton. Just a couple of weeks ago, we lost our dear brother Abid. He was such a sweet brother, but again, he got cancer. Was diagnosed about a year ago. But in the last 2 months, after all the chemotherapy and everything, he just was like a skeleton with bones on. And we need to look after our community, try to spot the signs of cancer before they go into those later stages. Because there is a cure for cancer if it's caught early enough. So the Macmillan nurses, they go out, they come in, they're like angels, to be honest with you. They come in, they look after patients. And also the research Macmillan are doing, it tries to improve cancer. Just recently, we've had the prostate cancer, where you had to have a month's worth of treatment. Now you only need 5 days of treatment, and it's painless. And this is a sort of research that is making cancer much, much more safer and easier for everyone. So this, a little party is to raise money for Macmillan Cancer. We've just had one on Friday in the masjid itself. We raised £900, and hopefully we'll be raising quite a bit more here as well. Thank you to Brother Akbas for doing this and bringing his neighbours and friends and the community together. Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks.